Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you guys doing?
How are you, Blake?
Good. Nice to meet you, Blake.
Hi, Garrett.
Nice to meet you, Garrett. I'm
Nice to
Chef Keisha. We're going to make a nice little cocktail and finish it off with a nice little salad. So the first thing that we're going to do is juicing 1.5 lemons.
Okay.
And a nice little trick is to snip off the ends just to let the air pass through when you are juicing.
Okay.
And then cut the lemon in half.
Okay. There we go.
Awesome, so we got our fresh lemon juice. So the next thing that we need to do is do 1.5 ounces of triple sec. So with the gin, we want 3 ounces.
We'll do a little more than 3, maybe. Okay.
We're feeling boozy
That's
today.
what I'm
A little
talking
bit
about.
booze.
That's
So
what
there's
I'm
our 3, and then we'll just.
That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna add the lemon juice. Ooh,
Yes.
perfect.
You just tell me when to stop.
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop.
Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep going.
Yeah, that's good. That should be good.
This is good?
Yeah, that's good.
This one?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is so pretty.
Yeah.
Yes,
nice.
this is beautiful.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
All right, let's see. Oh yeah,
That is good.
that's really good.
While we're sipping on our nice cocktail,
Uh-huh.
we're gonna do a nice salad. It's a date and orange salad
Ooh.
with a little bit of feta cheese. So first things first, we're gonna need to peel the orange.
Oh.
Have you ever peeled an orange with a knife?
I have not.
Okay,
No.
so this is what we're
I'm
gonna
getting a
do.
lesson.
We want to nicely peel away.
Ooh.
That does look nice.
Did I do it right?
Yeah.
I'm so nervous.
No, don't be nervous. Don't be nervous.
Wait.
You guys do a lot of cooking in the kitchen together?
We do.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah,
Who-
we do.
Who's the chef of the two?
I think we both have different things we like to make, actually.
Yeah, I like to make more savory things, and
I like
he's
making
really, really
dessert.
good
Oh,
at it.
see?
Yeah. When it
the
comes to
perfect
baking and all
combination.
that.
That is the perfect combination.
Mm-hmm.
So the next thing that we'll do to basically just cut this onion in half and just give me small, very thin strips, and we're not gonna do a lot of the red onion at all.
Okay.
If we wanna pick a nice bunch of mint here, I love this smell. And I have some fresh parsley here. So how did you guys meet?
I was a waiter at
Uh-huh.
a restaurant, and he was an assistant at the time.
Uh-huh.
He used to go in there and work, and we got to know each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations,
Oh,
guys.
thank you.
I just want to get to the cake tasting.
Yes, the
Yeah.
food tasting is always the best part.
You know,
Yeah.
we'll probably pick a cake early on, but we'll probably just continue on with the cake.
What I want to do is take our nice, beautiful segments.
Yum.
I'm gonna put them in a bowl. So what we'll do is we have some olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. So now we can just mount this right at the top. Now we want to take that nice, delicious feta cheese, and
Okay.
that is our salty aspect, and
Yes.
Just
all
chugga
around.
chugga.
Yes.
Be
Okay.
generous with the,
Yes,
the
cheese.
cheese.
I'll be very generous with cheese.
That is so
That looks so
pretty.
nice. Look at
It's
that.
beautiful.
I love it. I'm excited.
I love it.
It's really pretty.
I love it. You guys did a beautiful job.
Time to eat a salad.
Let's try.
Yes.
That's a
I
good salad.
love dates.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much. This
Awesome.
is amazing.
Absolutely. Now you have something to take back home
Mhm.
that you guys can do on date night.
Mhm.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to you
We did a
guys.
thing.
Happily ever after.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations, and
Thank
wishing
you.
you all the best of love and happiness. for
Thank
eternity.
you. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.